So what is actually Upscrolled app? Let me break it down for you. Upscrolled is a new social media app that's grown fast as an alternative to big platforms like TikTok and Instagram. It was created by Issam Hijazi and focuses on giving users a chronological feed without hidden recommendation algorithms, meaning posts appear in the order they're shared, not based on what some system thinks you should see. How it works is pretty straightforward. You download the app on iOS or Android, create a profile, and start posting photos, short videos, and text. There's a following feed that shows posts from people you follow in time order, and a discover feed that ranks content by likes and shares without heavy algorithm manipulation. The idea is to avoid addictive scrolling and ensure every voice gets a fair chance to be seen. Pros? Many users appreciate the simple, chronological timeline and lack of shadow bans, which feels refreshing compared to algorithm-driven platforms. It's also gaining traction quickly. In early 2026, it hit the top of the social networking charts in several countries. On the downside, it's still early, and content moderation is struggling. Hate speech, slurs, and problematic content have been found, and fixes are ongoing. The Discover feature can feel limited and sometimes shows the same posts repeatedly, which makes finding new content hard. Upscrolled is free to use with no subscription or paid tier right now. You can download, post, and engage at no cost. The platform's goal is broad usage and community growth rather than monetization so far. It's best for people who are tired of algorithm feeds and want a simpler, chronological experience. But if you care about a polished app with strong moderation and discovery, mainstream platforms may still be better. If you've tried Upscrolled or are curious about it, let me know what you think below and subscribe for more honest social app reviews.